To create a worksheet for carotid ultrasound, go to PACS work list, refresh the work list, and select your patient. On demographics page, under study template, make sure Carotid Duplex ultrasound is selected. Tap Next to enter any previous imaging for comparison. If there is none, tap Next to go to Findings page. To import the measurements directly from PACS, tap Import SR. In addition to velocities, we can also import the ratios and CIMT measurements from PACS. There are additional drop-down menus for vertebral artery and plaque morphology. Tap each box to select related findings. Let's assume the flow pattern in the right vertebral artery was normal, and there was no plaque in the right CCA. In the right bulb, there was some plaque estimated less than 50% of lumen diameter, and we characterize it as homogeneous and soft with a smooth surface. And no plaque was detected in the right ICA or ECA. We do the same process for the left side. To review the entire findings, tap the Edit button and modify the findings if necessary. Otherwise, tap Next Step to select between Tech Worksheet and Full Report. Tech Worksheet is already selected for us, so tap Finish to preview the entire worksheet. If we are happy with everything, we export the worksheet to PACS simply by tapping on Export button. To create a full report, go back to previous page and tap on Full Report. If a radiologist is not logged in, you will be notified that a radiologist must log in before creating a report. Log in as a radiologist and tap Full Report. Enter the assessment or diagnosis in the assessment box. Tap Finish to see the full report. To send the report to your PACS and HL7 reporting server, tap Export button, and a copy of the report will automatically be sent to your PACS and your HL7 server. Tap I'm done to start a new case.